everyone, welcome to Just for Fun. Today I'm going to take a little break from my steam engines, although I love them. I love making mistakes and fixing them actually. So yeah, so we take a little break and I inquired with Grandad what kind of a 3D printer he had, and I did one on upgrade. So I bought this Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro 3D printer. So we'll see how it goes, and you know, it's a bit complicated at the moment because the leveling and all that business. I'm not sure how the 3D printers actually work, so I'm kind of excited about it. Enjoy. Just doing the auto leveling here. I have already done manual leveling. I watched a couple of videos to put it together. I did not show unboxing and setting it up. There are many videos out there that does that. Once this is done, I'm going to do my first print, as they say. SD card has some images. I'll be choosing one of them. So guys, it's time to load the PLA. I'm going to use the one that they give a sample of, as it were. So they say just put it onto there like that and push it through this thing here. Yep, goes through nicely. Then push it through here. Pull this back. Goes in about ½ inch. It's going nicely there. Okay guys, so apparently you gotta press the print button, and then the card with the files on it's got a rabbit, a cat and a handle. It depends what we want. I think, what do you want to go for?
Rabbit.
Rabbit, yes. So we'll press the rabbit. You want to come and press the rabbit?
Yeah.
Take your time. Press the rabbit. That's it. Move away safely. Okay, so we got rabbit, and the temperatures are not reached 100%. So what we do is press play. You want to press play, Mary?
Yeah.
That's the play button there. Press it hard. That's it. Okay. Okay, so guys, that's the bed, and that's the nozzle. So it's reached 60. And it's waiting for the nozzle to reach 200. Once it does 200, this will start printing.
That's doing well.
Okay, watch that. So as you can see, the filament came out. I had to put back in. Okay, so this looks really smooth. Doesn't seem like it's rough, except at the back there. Don't know why that is.
It is hot.
This seems to be alright, stuck well. Looks really consistent, I think. Look at it up there. Yeah. That's it, printing my rabbit. This is my very first print, guys. I'm kind of excited.
Yeah.
So is my boy.
Yeah.
It's showing 14% printed there. The reflection of light, I'm afraid. This is 20% done. This is 35%. Videoing from a different angle.
36 now.
This is about 62% now. Doing good. Not bad for the first print, I suppose. Yeah guys, this is about 78 now. It's on the years at the moment, so I'll throw a video. The next video will be when it's completed. There you go guys, that's finished now.
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
There's some stuff in there you have to get out.
I'm assuming you just pick this up somehow. This is magnetic. Alright guys, very, very, very warm. I'm not sure how you take it off.
You snap it off.
Oh, there you go. It just came off. So that's my rabbit. Somebody wants it.
I thought he chose
There you
it.
go.
Come on. Thanks. Oh, it's hot. That's so hot.
So guys, thank you for watching. It's very, very smooth indeed. Very nice. And there's my first 3D printed, which is a rabbit. Thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you.